Hey guys, hope all of you are doing okay. It's late night and I'm out here having supper. Just ordered my favorite fried instant noodle. Locally we call Maggi Goreng, right? This is it. Check it out. Alright. So it's one of those awesome favorite local fried noodles, right? It comes from packets of instant noodle. Yep, favorite supper food. And this is something that we can do at home. Super easy. Let's get going. Yes. You want runny eggs? Up to you. This is how I like my egg. Let's add our onion, chili, already 2 packets of curry powder. Now the cheese. Bit of oil. 1 egg. Up the heat. Now the noodles. Okay. Now is the curry.